Holstein-Friesian cow farming, often referred to simply as Holstein farming, is a prominent and economically significant branch of the dairy industry worldwide. The Holstein-Friesian breed is renowned for its exceptional milk production capabilities, making it a preferred choice for dairy farmers seeking high yields of quality milk. Originating in the Netherlands and Germany, these cows have gained immense popularity due to their distinctive black and white markings, gentle demeanor, and remarkable adaptability to various environments. Holstein-Friesian cow farming encompasses breeding, management, nutrition, health practices, as well as key reproductive and production metrics. Holstein-Friesian cow farming practices. Breeding. Selective breeding plays a crucial role in Holstein-Friesian cow farming. Breeding programs focus on traits such as milk production, reproductive efficiency, and overall health. Artificial insemination is commonly used to introduce desirable genetics. Nutrition. Proper nutrition is essential for milk production and overall cow health. Farmers provide a balanced diet that includes roughages, concentrates, vitamins, and minerals. Nutritional requirements vary based on factors such as age, lactation stage, and production goals. Housing and management. Comfortable and clean housing is vital for Holstein-Friesians. Well-ventilated barns or shelters protect cows from harsh weather conditions and facilitate efficient management practices such as milking and healthcare. Healthcare. Regular veterinary care, vaccination programs, and disease prevention strategies are critical for maintaining the health of Holstein-Friesian cows. Common health concerns include mastitis, lameness, and reproductive issues. Milking and milk handling. Modern dairy farms employ milking machines and automated systems to efficiently milk large herds of Holstein-Friesians. Proper milking hygiene and milk storage are essential to ensure milk quality. Reproductive metrics and milk production. Gestation period. The gestation period for Holstein-Friesian cows, like other bovines, is around 9 months, or approximately 280 days. This period encompasses the time from conception to calving. Milk production per day. Holstein-Friesian cows are known to produce an average of 22 to 27 liters milk per day during their peak lactation period. This remarkable daily milk yield underscores their significance in the dairy industry. Lactation period. The lactation period refers to the duration during which a cow produces milk after calving. Holstein-Friesians usually have a lactation period of around 305 days, with a dry period before calving to rest and prepare for the next lactation cycle. Conclusion. Holstein-Friesian cow farming holds a prominent place in the global dairy industry due to the breed's exceptional milk production capabilities and adaptability. Through decades of selective breeding and proper management practices, dairy farmers are able to harness the potential of these cows to provide abundant quantities of high-quality milk. As consumer demand for dairy products continues to grow, Holstein-Friesian cow farming remains a cornerstone of modern dairy production, contributing to the availability of nutritious dairy products worldwide. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.